Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 10 centime ng Ethiopia. Mayroong taon na 1977. So, share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga informasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Ethiopia. Tapusin lang natin video guys para malaman natin ang napakagandang mga kaalaman tungkol dito or mga informasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys. The Ethiopian 10 centime coin from 1977 Ethiopian calendar year 1969 was issued during the Provisional Military Administrative Council era 1974 until 1987. This coin features a composition of nickel brass consisting of 79% copper, 20% copper, 20% zinc, and 1% nickel. It has weight of 4.5 grams, a diameter of 23 millimeters, and a thickness of 1.4 millimeters. The obverse design depicts a roaring Ethiopian lions, head facing right, with the date inscribed below in Gai's script. The inscription reads Ethiopia and the date, which corresponds to the 1969 in the Ethiopian calendar. 1977 AD, the design was crafted by engraver Stuart Devlin. The reverse features an image of the mountain Nyala antelope with the denomination of 10 and the Amharic text Asher Santin below. The reverse also includes the initial FM indicating the Franklin Mint where the coin was introduced. This side was also designed by Stuart Devlin. Mintage and variants. In 1977, approximately 202,722,000 of these coins were minted. There are known variants of these coins, distinguished by the difference in the lion's whisker design on the obverse. One variant features two long whisker with a small head, while another displays uniform chin whiskers with a small head. Current value of these coins. The 10 centime coin holds more historical and collectible value than monetary worth today. Its value to collectors can vary based on the factors such as the condition, the rarity, and demand. For instance, the 1977 10 centime coin was listed for 9.95 euros on the numismatic website. Thought prices can fluctuate. For the most accurate and current valuation, it's advisable to consult recent auction results or a reputable coin dealer. This coin serves as a tangible piece of Ethiopia's rich history, reflecting the nation's cultural and political landscape during the late 20th century. So yun guys, ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito guys sa ating barya guys. Dahil napaka-unique nito guys. At ang ganda pa ng kanyang kondisyon. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.